Today I am discuss BSc first semester paper integral calculus. Question first. Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine cube x dx. First check this function is even or odd. F minus x is equal to fx, then function is even. If minus x is equal to minus fx, then function is odd. So sine cube x, cube minus x is equal to sine minus x cube. This function is called odd function, then the integral must be 0. The integration of odd function must be 0. The option number B is correct. First B. Question number 2. The integral 0 to pi f sine x dx. By this theorem, integral 0 to a fx dx is equal to integral 0 to a f a minus x dx. Then the limit is twice of 0 to pi by 2 f sine x dx is the answer. Then solve it. Option number A is correct. Question number 3. Question 3. Integral 0 to 1 x की power n minus 1 upon log x dx. You can solve by integral method. Yes, separable this integration 0 to 1 x की power n upon log x dx minus integration 1 upon log x dx. You can substitute log x is the t, then solve it. The correct option is B is correct. Question number 4. Integral 0 to infinity x की power m minus 1 upon 1 plus x की power m plus n dx. This formula is gamma n upon gamma m plus n. Option number D is correct. Fourth D. The value of fifth question. The value of integral 0 to infinity e की power minus x की power minus half dx. By using gamma function. By using beta function, integral 0 to infinity e की power minus x into x की power n minus 1 dx is equal to gamma n. So this formula is called, you can solve this formula, and this is known as beta function. This is beta function, beta function. So this formula is minus half, gamma half is equal to root pi. Gamma half is equal to half. This format you can use x power half minus 1 into dx. So is equal to gamma half is equal to root pi. So option number C is correct. Question number 6. The value of integral 0 to pi by 2 sine 4x cos square x dx. You can use formula sine square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 and cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Then solve the integration. Then option number D is correct by pi by 32. Then solve by this formula. Double integration. Question number 7. The value of double integration. Integral 0 to a, integral 0 to root a square minus y square dy dx. The limit will be by then integration first with respect to x. But agar limit in x, then integration with respect to y. The reverse process. Integration with respect to x is 1 dx का x limit 0 to root a square minus y square integration 0 to a dy. then root a square minus y square into minus 0 integral 0 to a dy. Then integration this formula into root a square minus y square dy is equal to y root a square minus y square upon 2 plus a square upon 2 sine inverse x y upon a plus c. And then you can solve this formula. Then option number D is correct. D is correct by pi a square upon 4. Question number 7. Question number 8, sorry. Question number 8. 8 integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to 1 integration 0 to 1 x y z dx dy dz. The limits are constant, then we can integrate any respect first dx dy dz. The integration x square upon 2 limit 0 to 1 y square upon 2 limit 0 to 1 z square upon 2 0 to 1. So it's a 1 y 8 is correct option. Option number B is correct. Question number 9. Limit 0 is pi by 2. Limit 1 to a cos theta r sin theta d theta dr. Limits are constant. We can use any respect. First dr or d theta. 0 to pi by 2. 2 1 by 2 sin theta cos theta d theta and 1 to a r dr. So integration 1 upon 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta d theta limit r square upon 2 limit j1 to a. So we can use this one upon sin integration the minus cos 2 theta upon 2 limit 0 to pi by 2. This is a square upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4 cos pi is minus 1 minus 1 cos 0 is minus 1 plus 1. This integration is 0. This is not a 0. Half. This is minus 2. Take minus 2 plus and 1 upon 2 comma the a square minus 1. You can solve this integration and solve integration. The given answer is a by 2. Option number D is correct. Question number 10. The entire length of the cardioid is this. R is equal to a 1 plus cos theta. We can differentiate dr upon d theta is equal to a 1 cos 0 cos theta minus sin theta. So is equal to minus a sin theta. Limit cardioid. You can solve this formula. ds upon d theta is equal to root 1 plus dr upon d theta का whole square. Use can this formula by using cardioid formula. So by using rectification formula. Then option B is correct. Is a 4a. Question number 11. Question 11 is curl I cross j. Then we can solve del cross I cross j. Del value is I del upon del x plus j del upon del y plus k del upon del z. You can solve this method value by del and cross I cross j. I cross j is 0. The all value will stay 0. The option number A is correct. Question number 12. Del cross del f. You can find first gradient. Del f means gradient. Gradient. फिर करेंगे कर्ल. ग्रेडियंट के कर्ल निकालते हैं तो इंटीग्रेशन की वैल्यू आती है 0. ग्रेडियंट का कर्ल फाइंड करें तो वैल्यू आई फाइंड करके 0. तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट. 0 वेक्टर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. 5. कंटूर इंटीग्रेशन ओवर सी r डॉट dr. r इज इक्वल टू होता है x i k प्लस y j k प्लस z k. वेक्टर dr वेक्टर निकालेंगे d x i k प्लस dy j k प्लस d z k. देन डॉट प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो कितना आएगा वैल्यू. इन दोनों का डॉट प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो वैल्यू आएगी 0. इन दोनों का डॉट प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो वैल्यू कितना आएगा 0. तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 पे बात करते हैं. बाय स्टोक्स थ्योरम वैल्यू ऑफ डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ कर्ल एफ मान लेते हैं कर्ल एफ. ठीक. तो हमें क्या करना है, पहले कर्ल एफ निकालना है. कर्ल एफ मतलब डेल क्रॉस एफ फाइंड करेंगे, फिर उसका डाइवर्जेंस निकालना है. डेल डॉट डेल क्रॉस एफ. ऑलवेज वैल्यू कितनी होती है 0. ऑलवेज वैल्यू 0. तो डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. वैल्यू होती है 0.